Friends, welcome to the another episode of Fact Shy Guy. Today I am Shopnil with you again. Today we will discuss about Jupiter. Jupiter, being the largest planet in our solar system, has been rightly named. Jupiter is the name of king of all gods in Roman mythology. The Greeks also named the planet after their god Zeus. Zeus was the king of all gods in Greek mythology. Jupiter was discovered in 1610 AD by Galileo Galilei. Galileo also discovered 4 of the moons of Jupiter. These moons are aptly called the Galilean moons in the honor of their discoverer. The 4 moons discovered by Galileo were Callisto, Ganymede, Europa and Io. Jupiter is so massive that its total mass is twice as much as the mass of all planets in the solar system combined together. Jupiter is capable of holding 1300 Earths in it. However, the mass of Jupiter is only 1,000th of total mass of Sun. Interestingly, if Jupiter had managed to grab 80 times more mass than its current mass, it would actually end up being a star instead of planet. Jupiter's atmosphere is very similar to that of our Sun. Jupiter is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. It completes one rotation around its axis just under 10 hours, whereas our Earth completes 24 hours approximately to complete one rotation. Jupiter is 7% wider at its equator compared to its width at the poles. This is because of its extreme spinning speed that makes the planet bulge out at its waistline. The atmosphere of Jupiter is composed of 10.2% helium, 89.8% molecular hydrogen and traces of ammonia, hydrosulfide aerosols, water, ice aerosols, water, ethane, hydrogen, deuterite, ammonia and methane, and etc. The core of Jupiter is massive and dense. Its composition is uncertain. The core is surrounded by a layer of helium-rich fluid metallic hydrogen, and the whole thing is then wrapped up in an atmosphere that primarily consists of hydrogen. The mass of the core of Jupiter is 10 times the mass of our Earth. The layer of fluid metallic hydrogen that covers the core extends up to 90% of the diameter of the planet. Some scientists believe that core of Jupiter is made of rocks, metals, water, ice, ammonia ice, methane ice, etc. The magnetic field of Jupiter is 20,000 times stronger than the Earth's magnetic field. Because of its gargantuan magnetic field, the planet is capable of trapping electronically charged particles such as electrons and other particles. These particles form a belt around the planet. The moons and the rings of Jupiter are regularly blasted with radiation. The radiation from this belt is 1,000 times stronger than the lethal dose of radiation for humans. The radiations are so intense that they even damaged the Galileo probe of NASA that was heavily shielded. The entire magnetosphere of Jupiter, the magnetic fields and the charged particles, extend out to 600 million miles behind the planet and some 6 lakh miles to 2 miles towards the Sun. I think today's topic was much interesting. Share this with your friends. If you like it, click the thumb button. If you have any query, write it in the comment box without any hesitation. My elder brother will try to solve it. Subscribe this channel for more science related videos. Thank you.